fajita time. There's a parade in my city. It's a parade. Hey everybody, it's Supportivemom, and yes, I am back. Today we are in the kitchen cooking, chopping it up. We're gonna have fajitas for dinner. My husband went to the store and got everything. He got Tyson grilled already, fajita chicken breast strips. I've already diced up a couple of tomatoes, and we got some yellow bell pepper here, it's sweet. And I have, what happened to my other fajita seed? What you taking away for? Y'all, he had 3 bags of fajita seasoning over it.
You know, you don't take all of my seasoning.
Y'all, he got 3. Now, he was going to cook it, he got all 3.
No. It don't
What?
take all that. It's just that poke.
Oh, just what you bought?
Yeah, I just bought them to have.
You talking about just that poke. So I'm going to use 1, then we'll see. You want cream bell pepper in this, Greg?
No, you don't have to.
And I got the cheddar cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up everything. I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken on. So let's do this. Turn the stove on. I could just spray the pan with either canola or the pan, but I like some real oil. So I'm just going to put a thin layer of oil in the pan. Just a thin layer on the bottom. Is that how you do it, Boo?
You do your thing there.
I said, is that how you do it?
Yeah. If you want me to do the video?
No, you can come help me do it. I got vegetable oil. You should have said something. I could have used some olive oil if you would have said something before. Hold on, let me wash my hands on camera for them. Cause I know how y'all. Okay, is that good enough? So while that's heating up, and when you cook it, handle it. Don't ever cook with your handle out, y'all. But if you got a little kid, let's say a Lincoln come right in the house, boom, hit this. So always turn that handle inside the stove where that pot can't be knocked off. What I like to do is I like to turn my fire up high and get it started, then I turn it down low. If you're not really good at watching that, don't do that. Just leave it on low and let it heat up real slow. Oh y'all, it look good. It's already got seasoning in it too. But you don't want to put your meat in that grease. Fire's not hot. Because what happens anytime you do that cooking anything, then you just soaking up the oil. And now that it's warm, turn that back down low. And by when I get ready to put this meat in here, it's going to be ready. And I'm just going to dice it up. Because me personally, I don't like to eat big old pieces of meat. You can leave yours this size if you want to. But I'm just going to cut it up so when you take a bite, you know, you might want to be cute or something, you know, and just sit and nibble. So we just going to cut this up real nice like this. And I'm using chicken. Or a person, you may be vegan. You can just use your vegetables, your tomatoes, your bell peppers. And we also going to put some lettuce in here.
How you coming?
And we're going to put some cheese. Good.
That tastes better than the chicken.
Yeah. And we're going to put that in here. And I'm making these, y'all, for me, Lincoln, my husband, and D-Side. What have y'all been into? Tell me something that y'all been doing. At my school, everybody that works in Shelby County, lives in Shelby County, your child should be TCAP tested. So we've been telling them to get their sleep and go to bed early. Some of the kids been doing, some of them have been sleeping. We had one student, she was so alert, I got to do something very nice for her. But that child, she told me that her mom told her to go to bed early every night. And I mean, she has really been doing just an excellent job. So if your child is TCAP tested, make sure you got them going to bed. Let's talk about these playoffs while we cooking. What y'all say? There's a parade in my city. It's a parade. It's a parade in my city. What happened Monday night? Lord have mercy. What happened? Was it Sunday night, Monday night? Listen to this. Let me show it to y'all. Let y'all hear it. Y'all like that sound? But that's what you want in nice sizzle. Y'all, I was so mad. I was mad when he bumped my boy. Oh, I was so mad. I was like, wait a minute. Don't be hurting my boy, Ja. Don't be messing him up. So I don't know if Ja playing tonight or not. And I tell you, people get upset with me for saying this, but I'm honest. In the city of Memphis, and if most people in Memphis would be honest, they would say this too. They tell me, don't say that. I am a Ja Morant fan. I'm not a Grizzly fan. And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to say that because before Ja got on the team, I would go to the game and wear my Lakers jersey. And we really didn't sell out any tickets here. They did not sell out unless we was playing like a team, you know, they had a really popular player on it. But now since we got Ja Morant, everybody wants to say they're a Grizzlies fan. Stop lying, you're a Ja Morant fan. But they just won't say that. They say, oh, don't say that. Don't say that, you know. Well, the truth just be told. People in Memphis not going to support if you lose. That's even with our college teams and all our sports. Hey, Greg. That's my husband. He'll tell y'all. Greg. Uh-oh. Y'all, I found these at Dollar Tree. I like these with the little rubber handle. These are really nice. Greg! Y'all, he not answering me. Okay, but while that's browning, it's really already done. Show it to y'all, isn't it pretty? And we have here flour tortillas, handmade, soft taco size. So this is what it's gonna look like. And we have 10. Get another nice clear glass bowl. I like the clear glass bowl, it just looks pretty. Got your peppers here, tomatoes, y'all see how pretty this look. And then I'm gonna have a nice, pretty green lettuce in here. Let's put this on low. Question, who washed their lettuce before they cut it? Comment down below, do you wash yours first? And I always like to peel off this first one right here, and I cut this off. See how brown that is? So what I do is I just take the knife, cut that off, and throw it out, because I'm not eating it. And honestly, y'all know what? This is an iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce does not really have any nutritional value. I think a lot of us buy it because it's least expensive for foods like fajitas and things. But if you're a vegan and you're not putting any meat on here, I would suggest that you get like a romaine lettuce or a little round one. I can't call the name of it. But I would suggest that you get that one if you're eating only veggies on your fajita or your taco. And somebody tell me this, what's the difference in a fajita and a taco? What's the difference? We're just gonna chop this up. This is a French knife, in case you didn't know. Hey, Greg.
Yes.
What I was gonna ask you, oh yeah, come over here in the camera and tell them this. I am gonna put it in there. Tell them, are you a Grizzlies fan, a Ja Morant fan, or which one? Be honest, tell the truth.
I'm just a basketball fan.
See, people won't be honest.
I mean, I'm a basketball fan.
Who is your favorite team?
I just like basketball. I don't just really have a favorite
Guess
team.
what? I love basketball.
I love the Grizzlies, though. I'm from Memphis.
Who is your favorite? You got a team. Who is your team?
I guess the Grizzlies, since
Let
you
me
put
put
it
this-
that way.
The Grizzlies or Ja? Okay, let me ask you this.
I like Ja Morant.
Oh, I got drum on it. That's why
I like Ja Morant.
The question is, was you a Grizzlies fan before Ja came? Is what I was talking to him about.
Not
Or you're a
necessarily,
Grizzlies
no.
fan. So you're a Ja Morant fan, like
I like Ja Morant.
Say it.
He brought a little interest to me with the team.
You brought the parade to the city, right?
While you doing this topic, please do my fajitas right.
I'm doing your fajitas. So y'all, let me.
Ja Morant cookers don't do his right. Do it right.
Ooh, he said Ja Morant. So y'all gonna put this seasoning in here now that I have done my meat a little bit. All right.
Well, y'all like a little gray dress. I really love this summer dress.
Look at him.
She looks so splendid in it. Oh, it's not much in that little packet, is it?
That's why I told you were hiding your little cat.
Well, you
That's
know,
gonna be good for the seasoning.
I've been known to be a little conservative.
It's gonna give you enough flavor though.
Where you from? She don't want me. I'm the real star, y'all.
Hold on, let me put this over here though, for real.
What's wrong with
Pepper sauteed here. Oh, look at that chicken. Doesn't it look good? We got the lettuce, the tomatoes. Y'all got a favorite hour in the stove that y'all like. And I just came home from work and came straight in this kitchen. So my hair just not tight. I've been at work all day, okay? So now we have everything here. We got our cheese. And clean as you go, ladies. That way when you get finished, I'm going to sit down on the game. I wish y'all could just smell it. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. Got our Daisy sour cream here. Well, comment down below and tell me how y'all make y'all fajitas. more yellow pepper in there, okay? And I'm gonna yell, y'all yell and say, dinner's ready, it's done. Y'all do that. Does it smell good, G-Saw?
No, I don't want to be in the video.
What color wine turned out like that?
That's for you. Yeah. Come on. Girl, your dad asked me why I turned out like, what color fajitas supposed to be? Y'all be this color?
Hold on.
Look at the one.
Girl, look how
Look at the one today.
Spaghetti.
ain't no spaghetti. I'm fixing you one. Hold on, I got you. Y'all, my husband ain't really like feeling my fajita.
I am feeling
He
your
says-
fajita.
he
I
says
make
too
mine
wet.
more gritty like.
He like his meat more without the.
I can get into that. I'm good.
No, you like your meat without the what? He
My
said,
meat comes like this here.
like what?
Just a grill type.
Just sauteed.
Yeah, I don't need all that right there.
Did you open this?
It's good though.
Y'all, he don't like. He said,
I didn't say I didn't like it.
no, but you say my meat is like I'm making spaghetti.
Girl gone. Something wrong with you.
That's what you said. That's what you
It
said.
looks good.
Uh-huh.
I do a grill like on the package.
Uh-huh.
The grill type meat.
Just tell me that ain't a beautiful fajita.
It's nice.
And you can put some red,
Contact.
if you want some of that on there. Taste it and then tell me first.
What am I supposed to say on film?
How you gonna
What am I supposed to say, you guys?
just taste it? How is it?
It's good.
Tell the truth.
Oh, you know if it wasn't, I'd tell you. Be honest with you people, you guys. I ain't got no lie to tell you.
What if you hurt their feelings though?
I ain't got no lie to tell you. Come make him a kiss on the
Some of
forehead.
these folks ain't been married long enough to be
I
hurting
ain't
their
got no
feelings.
lie, I ain't got no lie to tell you. It's good, but thank you.
Because it was too wet for you, what you say. This is Supportive Mom. We get ready to eat our fajitas and get ready to go watch the playoff. If your team not in it, boo y'all. Cheer for the Grizzlies, okay?
And make sure y'all subscribe to my mom and my grandma and my granddad.
Don't forget to comment,
And
like it, share it, tell a friend, tell a neighbor,
tell a friend to tell a friend.
tell a friend to tell a friend. Supportive Mom is in the house. Talk to you, though.